Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually really excited for today's video. I just received my Fab Fit Fun box for fall. This box comes quarterly. It's $49.99 for the quarter. And each box has a different theme. This month, it has all the different fall items on it. There's the pumpkin spice lattes, there's sweaters, there's the fall leaves, there are people riding bicycles, candles, just comfort things. So when you open up this box, it has Fab Fit Fun on the inside and Grateful for Every Little Thing Fall 2018. And then it continues with the pumpkin spice lattes, umbrellas, the fall leaves, rain boots, there's a beret, and then the French press, which I think is one of the items that I customized my box to have. And then it has the different Fab Fit Fun catalog in there, which we're kind of gonna go through. Also in here, there is a $50 gift card from HelloFresh. There's a coupon for $3 off the Luna Rica bars, which I've never tried. So on the front of the Fab Fit Fun magazine, there's Christina Applegate. And then on the inside, it tells you what's in your box, gives you a description, tells us how much it is. So in here is the rainy day cheat sheet. Then on the other side, there's the different products that are in your box and how much you should use. Maybe you've never used them before. Some of these items are new to me, so I'm excited to figure out how I should be using them. The Ultimate Makeup Tool, I think we get makeup tools inside of this box this month. 50 Ways to be Thankful, and it's a checkoff sheet. Let's see, what are some of the items that we could be thankful for? Start and end each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. Send a postcard to someone you love or someone who needs encouragement. Leave a kind message on your roommate's mirror. Oh, this one's fun. There's horoscopes. And they have the different coffees that go along with your zodiac for this month. Let's see. Leave your libations up to the stars this season. Here's what you should order according to your zodiac. Let's see. I'm a Leo. I should be ordering the peppermint mocha. The most extravagant of the zodiac needs a drink to match her bold, over-the-top aura. The peppermint mocha is rich with sweet flavors and is always topped with a dollop of whipped cream and pretty peppermint shavings. That was the Fab Fit Fun magazine. It's actually really cool. Now, let's see what else is inside this box. So the first thing I found is a beauty blender. These are great, especially for applying your makeup. I can always use a new beauty blender, and these go for about 20 bucks. I find them at Sephora or Ulta. Order them online, but I got a new one. I don't have to go buy a new one this month. The next item in the box is Blue and Capri by SKIN&CO Roma. This multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. It goes for $22. I'm always a sucker for a good shower gel. I wonder if it smells good. Ooh, that's refreshing and crisp. I can definitely smell the lemons, a hint of sage. This smells refreshing. I will definitely be using this in the shower. The next item in the box is the Luna Rica. This one is salted caramel nut. Let's see, what is in this bar? So what it says for the Luna Rica: take time for yourself and break into a perfectly portioned Luna Rica bar. It's made from recognizable ingredients like dates and nuts, making it a nutritious snack. It doesn't say how much this is, but I know that there's a $3 off coupon for Amazon. So I'll have to check it out and see how much a box of them go for. But it says it's gluten-free, non-GMO, USDA organic, cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. I wonder how it tastes. I'll just do a taste test here. Ooh, that's really good. It's kind of creamy. I like that it's not dry. You know, sometimes you can get a protein bar or a granola bar and it's just really dry and it makes it taste more like cardboard than anything. And then you're looking for a bottle of water, but you can never seem to find that bottle of water. This isn't too bad. Really glad I don't need a bottle of water because I don't have any with me. That was a Luna Rica salted caramel nut. I'll have to finish eating this later. Next in the box are 2 GLAMGLOW Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. I've seen these and I wanted to try them, but I'm glad I didn't purchase them because now I have them in my Fab Fit Fun box. These go for $18. Watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. I'm going to have to try these out. Maybe I'll do a video. I love GLAMGLOW products. I have their My Little Pony glitter face mask, the peel off one. That one is so much fun. And if this does what I think it does, because, oh man, let's see. I don't know if you can see this, but the pictures for it, the oxygenating microbubbles will start to form within seconds. Let me see. I think there was a picture in this magazine of what it's supposed to look like. And what is it? Where did it go? I think there's, oh, I'm going to have to definitely try this on video because the picture in the magazine, I don't know if you can see it. Do you see that? That looks scary. Oh man, that is a very interesting picture and depiction of what this mask does. I am going to definitely have to videotape this mask because I'm really intrigued to see how it works and what it looks like because, oh my, that's all I can say is oh my. I can't stop saying it. The next item in here, this one I got to choose. There were 2 options. There was the Catherine Meladrino umbrella in red floral or black and white floral. And then the item that I chose was the CYLO COBRA Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white. I got mine in white. I can never have enough headphones because I'm always working out. I'm always on the go. I like to have earbuds on hand. I may be somewhere and maybe I'm trying to study. But if I have music in my ears, it just seems to make it better. So I always have, headphones everywhere. I have a pair in my car. I have a pair in my backpack. I have a pair on my bedside table. Usually that's where they're charging. But I love having a set of wireless earbuds. I like that there's no cords tucked into my phone, so I can put my phone wherever it needs to be, whether it be in my armband for running. Maybe I have a pocket in my leggings. My phone can be in my hand and my cord's not wrapped around me. But I would much rather have wireless earbuds than those that are tethered to a cord. So I'm excited to try these out. It says that they last, so playing time is 4 hours, talking time is 4.5. All right, so this item is the Yoga Detox Bath. This was one of the items that the select members could choose from. There were 3 different items: the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream, the Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny, and then the one that I got by Cuccio, Somatology. Whether you finished an intense workout or just want to unwind, treat yourself to a detox salt bath with calming scents of eucalyptus. This goes for $39.95. Let's see, can I open it up and smell it? I always like a good bath soak or Epsom salt, especially after running. My muscles get really sore, and then because I'm on my feet all the time with my job, I like a good bath soak. Ooh, this is nice. Maybe if you're sick, you need to open up your sinuses. This smells strong of eucalyptus, but oh man, I like this. I really do. I'm really excited to try this out. This is also another one of the items that select members could choose. Okay, so the 3 items that they could choose from was the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream, the Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser, and then the item that I got, which is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit and Glucomannan Extract. Gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant and moisturized complexion. It's formulated with glucomannan from konjac to absorb oils and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. This goes for $67. Remember I told you the box itself was $49.99? This item right here, it just covered everything. Let's see. It says it's got pink grapefruit in it. I wonder if it smells like pink grapefruit. Oh, so it's got a foil seal. There's a little spike in this cap. Ooh. Probably shouldn't squeeze it. It's starting to come out. It's kind of peppery. I don't know that it's grapefruit. It's kind of peppery in smell. I don't know. I'll have to try it out. There's a lot of good facial products in here. I got the Simply Whimsical tea towels, a set of 2. They are gray and white with the chevron pattern on them. These are actually really nice. They are $14.99 retail. I guess these will be going in the kitchen now. So this was one of the other items that I got to choose. There was the Alfred teapot or the Alfred French press. I don't drink a lot of coffee anymore, but I do like coffee from a French press. There's just something about it. It's got a better flavor. It's a little bit stronger. The one thing I can say is it's not diluted like if you're using a Keurig. This one's so cute. It says, "But coffee first." And I like it. It's got the silicone lid on it to keep it on there. And if you just want to clean the glass, you can just take it out of the little silver chrome holder for it, stick it in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. The last item in there is the Crown brush 6-piece brush set, and it comes in this little travel case. This retails for $75. You open it up, and I got mine in the rose gold, and it just means that the writing on it is in rose gold. The brushes are a matte black. It's really nice. I don't know if you can see this right here, but it has the divots for holding on to it. This is a really nice brush for powder. And then there's one for the crease. There's an eyeshadow. There's an angled, maybe a brow brush. This is a nice travel set for your brushes. This little 6-piece set. I think for the most part, with the exception of my big fluffy powder brush, this has pretty much everything that I use to do my makeup. I have a trip coming up in October, so maybe I'll be taking these with me. If not, I can trade some out and use this little case to carry them in. All right, well, that's everything that was in my fall 2018 Fab Fit Fun box. Like I said, it was $49.99, and the total for everything that was in there is $318.94. I definitely think I got my money's worth out of that box, and there's some great items that I'm going to put to use. I've been receiving Fab Fit Fun boxes for I think the last year, and I'm always impressed with what I get, and I definitely use every single item. I will put the link down below for the site in case you're interested in getting a subscription to Fab Fit Fun. It's definitely worth it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to click on that bell icon right next to it to get notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like the video. And until next time, thank you for stopping by.